What's up guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs, showing off another Krietz Customs build adding to our Krietz Auto inventory. This behind me is a 2017 Ram 1500 Bighorn, and we're going to take a look at the specs of what Krietz Customs has added. Starting off with the leveling kit, it's going to be a 2.5-inch rough country leveling spacer. The wheel and tire package is going to be a Moto 970. The size is a 20x9 with a +18 offset. So this wheel and tire package is definitely going to sit flush with your fenders. The tire is going to be a Nitto Ridge Grappler. The size is a 35/12/50/20. If you guys like this truck, make sure you look at our inventory at KrietzAuto.com. The stock number is 654501. If you want to build your truck like this or have questions about fitment or anything like that, make sure you look at our Facebook page at Krietz Customs and shoot us a message.